All right, bring it forward slowly. Hold it right there. Okay, you're clear. Head to the north bay. Airflow is dropping on the left manifold. I'm increasing the fan speed now.
Oil pan is clear. Move to the fuel line. Roger that. Green tank is filling fast.
The sheer scale of the operation is breathtaking, a testament to the global effort in recycling.
Here in the granulation hall, the mills refine the shredded rubber into fine crumb, while magnets simultaneously remove the steel.
This batch looks consistent.
Yes, the 20 mesh is perfect.
Check the oversized fragments here.
The turbidity levels are still high.
Increase the detergent flow rate by 5%.
Control to forklift 1, confirm bales secured on trailer 4. We need the cullet bags next.